everyone, welcome to this video where I'll walk you through a Python program simulating a vending machine. This code is a great example of how to use Python for a real-world application. Let's dive in. This program allows users to purchase items from a vending machine by entering the item code and paying for it. It handles features like stock tracking, price calculation, change dispensing, and even error handling for invalid inputs. The main parts of codes are a welcome message, a menu displaying the item name, price, and stock levels, a core vending machine function that handles purchases, a loop that allows users to make multiple purchases. The display welcome function displays a welcome message with a short delay, enhancing the user experience. The delay is achieved using the time sleep function. Here we define the menu with their menu dictionary where each key is an item code. The values are dictionaries containing the item name, price, and stock levels. This function prints a list of items with their prices and stock levels, indicates whether an item is out of stock or how many are left. So, iterates through the menu to format and display the details. The vending machine functions coordinates the entire vending process. First, it calls display welcome and display menu to greet the user and show available items. Then it prompts the user to enter the code for their selected item. If the entered code isn't in the menu, the program notifies the user and exits its function. This ensures users cannot buy out of stock items. The program takes the user's money input, check if it's sufficient to cover the item's price, dispenses the item if the funds are sufficient, reducing the item's stock, returns change if applicable. This ensures the program doesn't crash if the user enters non-numeric input for the payment. The while loop allows user to make another purchase, exit the program. Now I will show you that how vending machine run. So this is the menu. So I will first enter the code of item which I want. So I need the Snickers, so I will enter the code. Then I will enter the cost of the Snicker, that how much is that. Then I would also like to make the another purchase the product, so I will enter the water. I will enter the code of water. Sorry. Yes, I need another product. Okay, so now I will enter the code which I want to purchase. I will purchase, okay, orange juice I will purchase. Then I will enter the cost. Then I will enter, and then it's showing that dispensing orange juice. Thank you for using the vending machine. No, I would not like to make another purchase, so I will enter it. Yes, thank you for using the vending machine. Have a great day.